This video is about finishing a WeVideo and adding it to Drive, as well as moving it to shared folders or moving around folders or getting the link for it to share. Basically, finishing out your WeVideo and making it accessible and flexible to go beyond just the WeVideo platform. So your video is done, you click the Finish button. When this opens up, you want to change this to represent what it is, so the title of the video. So if we call it Finishing a WeVideo video, because that's what this is about. Now this is going to send it to WeVideo and we're going to have it there. However, it's always going to be in WeVideo. We also want to add it to Google Drive, because when we add it to Google Drive, it's going to allow us to do much more. It's going to allow us to share it, put it in shared folders, get the link for it, put it into Google slideshows, things of that nature. So you can keep the WeVideo destination highlighted, but also make sure you highlight the Google Drive destination. And then you click Export. Now, it's going to take a little while to do this. As it says here, you don't have to keep this window open. Students, you will not get an email when it's done, but it's telling you what the final length of the total video is, in this case 30 seconds. This is telling you how long it's going to take to actually process. Wait for it to be finished, and then you can find it in Drive. And when it finishes processing, you're going to get a window that looks like this. Now, it does say you could share export, except for students, there are restrictions and sharing restrictions on that export from WeVideo, which is why we share it to Drive. You can download it if you want to your local computer to have an offline copy. But what you could also do is when you go into WeVideo, the WeVideo folder inside of Drive, you then see all the WeVideo projects you've done. And if you scroll down alphabetically, you will find your final. In this case, it's right here, finishing a WeVideo video. That's the one that we just finished. Now you can click on it one time. You could come up to the three dots. You could rename it if you need to. You don't have to rename it if you named it correctly the first time. Leave the .mp4 there. You need that. Press cancel on that. If you need to move it to a shared folder, you click the three dots and you move to. When you move it, you're going to move it out of the WeVideo folder, and you can move it to any folder within Drive, whether it be one of your subject area folders, or you can actually go further out and go into Shared with Me, find a folder that's shared with you by your teacher, by Mr. Casal, and then you can always click on the folder, find the one that you have access to, editing access to, and then you can click on it and you can click Move, and it will move it into that particular folder. To share the link, click right here, Get Link. It's going to tell you it's restricted, only you can see it. Change that to Scarsdale Public Schools. Copy this link, and then you could put it into your Padlet, anything like that. And that is how you finish a WeVideo, save it to Drive, use the three dots to either rename it or move it to a different location, as well as use the link button to make it accessible to Scarsdale Public Schools for pasting and sharing the link.